Good day, my dear Guadans! How are you today? I hope everything is doing wonderfully well in God's grace. Welcome to our 4th week. This week, we are going to learn about multiplying mentally. At the end of the week, you will be able to learn how to multiply mentally 2-digit numbers by 1 to 2-digit numbers with products up to 200 and explain the strategies used. You will also be able to solve routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication and addition or subtraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Okay, before we proceed to our topic, let us have some trivia. Which number is considered a magic number? We're going to answer this trivia at the last part of this video. Come on, let's proceed to our topic. We have here Hans. Hans planted 3 rows of seedlings in pots. Each row had 12 seedlings. How many seedlings did he plant in all? What did Hans plant in pots? The answer is Hans planted seedlings in pots. How many rows of seedlings? 3 rows. And how many seedlings in each row? How many seedlings in each row? 12 seedlings. Now, how are we going to answer how many seedlings did he plant in all? Great job, Guadans! We are going to answer this question by multiplying 12 by 3. Now, let us try to multiply 12 by 3 mentally without using any pen or paper. Okay? Okay, this will be very exciting. There are 2 ways to solve mentally. The first way or the first solution is we multiply the numbers using place value. What do we mean by this? For example, we have here 12 times 3. So how do we multiply the numbers using place value? First, we multiply the ones. That is 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. Next, we multiply mentally the multiplier by tens. That is, this will be 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. And lastly, we will add 6 plus 30, that will be 36. So first, multiply the ones. 2 times 3 is 6. And then multiply the tens. 3 times 10 is 30. And then we will add 30 plus 6 is 36. Therefore, 12 times 3 is 36. What is the other way to solve mentally or to multiply mentally? The other way is to multiply the numbers using distributive property. What do we mean by distributive property? We are just going to distribute. That is 3 times 12 is also equal to 3 times 10 plus 2. 12 is equal to 10 plus 2. Next, we will distribute. 3 times 10 is 30. And then 3 times 2 is 6. 30 plus 6 is 36. So whichever you like best, solution 1 or solution 2, it's up to you. As long as you will be able to solve mentally these kinds of multiplicand and multiplier. Let us have another example. 15 times 12. First, we multiply the ones. That is 2 times 15, 30. Next, 10 15 is 150. And then we will add 150 plus 30. That is 180. So, multiply mentally the multiplier by the ones. 15 times 2 is equal to 30. Multiply mentally the multiplier by the tens. 15 times 10 is equal to 150. And then add mentally the partial products, which is 150 plus 30 is equal to 180. So 15 times 12 is 180. Another example, 22 times 5. First, the ones. 2 times 5, 10. And then the tens, 5 times 20 is 100. Next, we will add 10 plus 100 is 110. Therefore, 22 times 5 is 110. So, multiply mentally the multiplier by the ones. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Multiply mentally the multiplier by the tens. 20 times 5 is equal to 100. And add mentally the partial products, which is 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. Therefore, 22 times 5 is 110. We are correct. How about this one? 16 times 12. What's your answer here, Guadans? 16 times 12. First the ones. 2 times 16 is 32. And then the tens. 10 times 16 is 160. 160 plus 32 is, what's your answer, Guadans? If your answer is 192, great job, Guadans. Okay, let us check. Multiply mentally the multiplier by the ones. 16 times 2 is 32. Multiply mentally the multiplier by the tens. 16 times 10 is 160. Add mentally the partial products. That will be 160 plus 32 is 192. Great job, Guadans. 16 times 12 is 192. Easy as pie, Guadans. You are really very intelligent. Thank you so much for learning with me and always enjoy mathematics, okay? Now, let us go back to our trivia. Which number is considered a magic number? What's your answer here, Guadans? Do you have your lucky guess? Let's see your answer. What's your answer here, Guadans? Excellent, Guadans. The answer is 9. 9 is considered a magic number. Thank you so much again, Guadans. God bless.